And last but not least is that of the Euphorbia Milii, crown of thorn plant. Majority of them have these little sharp thorns on the side of the base of the trunk. But, like I said, blooming. There is a variety of colors, not real variety, but a variety within the family. Like you get red, but of various shapes of red, size of red, small, medium, large, off shades, uh, blighted reds, all sorts of colors. Let me just show you a little smaller one. There's a little smaller one. Don't forget, we got beige. And let me see what the other one's over here. This is the large one. This is one I call the speckled version of the Euphorbia. And last but not least, I have over 50 of these plants in the garden. Some have passed on. The winter took a toll on a few, not a lot, but a few. But last but not least is the beige version, which I think I have several, but basically they're real standard size like this. So thank you for stopping by. The Euphorbia. This thing grows and produces flowers almost all year round. It's not what I call a user-friendly plant because of those little darling spines on the edge. So when you're dealing with them, wear your gloves. Thank you for stopping by. Say hello, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're desperately trying to get to 1,000. So please, bye-bye.